Well, hello and welcome to my shop. Thank you so much for joining me here. Today is September 8th, another day with this radio, and today, because time is short, I think what I'm going to do is simply assess the operation of the radio and maybe look at the position of the plate and the pointer if I can get to there. But first off, I think just assessing the operation of the radio is a good idea. This is the first chance to really hear this thing operate. So, because up until now, there's just been a series of problems with this radio. I did read the instructions, the alignment instructions for the next alignment process, which is aligning the RF circuits on each band. It involves accessing stuff inside the tuner here, and it includes removing sectors of the tumbler to gain access to more adjustments. And my feeling about that is, boy, if I can avoid that, that would be great. I don't think it can be avoided if you want to do that part of the alignment, but maybe it's not even necessary to do it. Maybe, I do have another one of these radios, one that I own. It's exactly like this radio. I've never done the front end alignment, but it works good. I've just aligned the IF and left the rest of it. Perhaps the same thing will happen here. Okay, I should get the antenna booster here. Handy. So this loop is connected to an outdoor active antenna with an amplifier in it. So there's a pretty good broadband signal here of everything from long wave right up to 30 megahertz. Should be on this coil. And I can also make direct connections with the antenna cable right to the terminals on the back of the radio here. But we're starting with the loop antenna on the broadcast band. Well, we hope to get to the broadcast band. Should be fairly easy to recognize it. Maybe I'm going to stick knob on here and make things a little easier. Okay, maybe I'll even stick the tuning knob on over here. Maybe I won't. Yeah, I won't. Okay, most of the radio signals are down in this area. I think we're ready. Okay, there we go. This isn't the best place for the speaker. Let me just put it over here. Now we're just relying on the antenna here. Is the radio actually working, or do I need to tap that part? Seemed like it was a little louder a moment ago. Okay, let's put the booster in. Oh, doesn't seem like it's... Oh, I don't know what band I'm on either. I don't know what band I'm on. So let's just go. See the plate. The strings are... No, not necessarily. That's probably broadcast. That's the end of the road. There it is. That's minimum volume there. That's a limit. Oh boy, that seemed to be in the middle. Well, let's see. Is it? French station. So it picked up the French station, it picked up the station from Hamilton here, pretty good. But it has this booster antenna. Yeah, I'm sure if I remove this. Oh, I can still hear it. I can still hear it. Now there may be some alignment things I can do and not get inside this box. There's a coil back here. And a trimmer. I don't know exactly what those are for. We could fiddle with them and see what happens. Well, we got a little more out of the adjusting this coil back here. Just a wee bit more. But frankly, that's not that bad for just a radio sitting in my shop. There's some stronger stations down this way. So that sounds like they're talking about sports, so it's probably 590. Let's take a look at the panel now. See where we are. We're looks like we're dialed up around 640, far away from the 590, which should be down here. So what I'm doing is I'm assessing whether it's going to be worthwhile to go through an alignment effort on this radio. There's a risk involved. Some of the sectors in the tuning chart have to be removed while you're doing certain adjustments. I'm not quite sure what that's all about. And it just sounds like something that could lead to something breaking, which I don't like. Now, what else can we do? Go another band. So, what's the band thing suggesting? It's way off. You should be lighting this number 7 down here. Should go way over this way. So I want to move that. Do it like this. Now we have a red in the right spot. Just a lucky break. I happen to end up in the right. There we are. That's correct now. That was too easy. Now let's go back to the French station here. Okay, so 860 is here. Again, you can see it's over in this area here. So either the pointer is out of position or the alignment is off. Pointer position. So the green tape is me, I think, And this is the original tape here. If this radio were in a better location, as in outdoors, on my deck or something like that, it would probably receive just as well there without a boost as it does here with the boost. Probably. Any idea what he's saying? I don't speak French. Leave that there for now. Well, I think probably the pointer is in the correct position on the string, and alignment is what's going wrong. Let's try the next band. Let's try another band. So we go up one, we jump into the 25 meter band, 11 megahertz. So we want this to go this way. It didn't go. Not on the pulley here. It came off the pulley down here. What happened there? Like the spring tension, this plate is stuck or something. Came off down here again. Let me put this back on here. There's just virtually no clearance in there. I'm going to break the string there. Wow. Now, put this one up here. The string might have been pinched back behind this roller. Yeah, now it's moving. Okay, so
peut-être pas attendu ça de...
okay, broadcast. In the 7-hole. Plate gotta go that way. This would be the 11 megahertz band. This won't work anymore, the loop approach. I'm gonna hook this into the antenna terminals here. That's a good sign. Okay. Now, shortwave's been kind of weird this last week. Who knows what we're going to get? Probably nothing here, but let's see.
En esta investigación se espera que los beneficios del programa se traduzcan.
Okay, well, we picked up one signal. That's quite reassuring. Now we'll go to the next band. Is 3 to 8 megahertz. That's quite a range. Plate moving this way. Okay, sounds good. Not likely to hear anything. Maybe up here. Oops, lots of volume. Lots of volume. Picking up stuff. Not likely to pick up much on this band. Okay, now this part I find a little bit odd. The long wave band is not next in line, but the long wave band is turned on when there's a yellow in all these spots. This yellow thing. It's very odd. So we're going to jump. As you can see the gap here. I don't get it. So I think I'm on 9 now. Yeah, it's showing number 4. 9 megahertz. So there's one strong station here that might be active at 9.3. Let's see. 9.3. Be somewhere in here. We didn't hear it. Some strange sounds there. I don't know what that stuff was. And those flicks. I'm not sure the radio. I think it's something it's picking up. Anybody? No. Sounds like it's working though. Oh. Okay, it's working. Next band. Next band is 17 megahertz. Who knows? This could be live today. Ooh, what was that? I think the radio picked up that sound. Okay, so 17. Well, let's see. Anybody up here? What those sounds are. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like that intermittent coming and going. That's what it sounds like. I'm going to tap that part. Oh. I replaced that part. No effect there. Tube wheeling. Off here. Not sure what to make of that. Oh, loose ground connection. Maybe this is what may be doing it. Oh, take the ground off. You do better. Better without the ground. Yeah. There we are. Fading in and out. what happened there? This volume control would get turned by accident when you turn the tuning. That's what's happening here. That's probably what happened before too. I just turned the volume down by accident. Okay, well this picked something up very weakly, but you know, no surprise there. 17 megahertz. Next band up is 19 meter band. Okay, sounds good. Starting pretty low here. 14.6. Why so low? Going up to 15.7. 15770 often has a station that I can receive there, so we'll find out when we get there.
To the one, we are the smell of death. To the other, the fragrance of life. And who is equal to such a task? Unlike so many, we do not peddle the word of God for profit. On the contrary, in Christ, we speak before God.
No comment. Okay, something. So, well, that's very interesting. We're getting WWV. We're getting it at 15.1 roughly instead of 15. So it's as if everything is shifted over a little bit this way. It's very tempting to just shift the pointer back this way a little bit, solve every band all at once. It's good that it's picking it up. Volume, it's me. See, there's long strings that allow for a lot of backlash and play in the radio. So you really can't eliminate it with this much string. Okay, I think there's one more band to go. Next band is oh, we jump from the highest band. This just jumps all over the place, doesn't it? To basically the lowest band, 1.8, just above the broadcast band, up to 3.9. There's nothing there. There's nothing there except noise. Let's hear it. All kinds of weird noises. Just there's nothing. Did it again. Hit the volume control there. Okay. Well, let's go back to the. Come on, you're supposed to slide back now. So this should be the long wave. The radio sounds a little different, doesn't it? Yeah, so the yellow band is showing. There's got to be a story for why they did it this way. It's weird. And there's nothing down here. Strange sounds. That's pretty weird. Okay. So we go back to the broadcast band. We go one notch over. This should be the broadcast band. With no, so I do not, so I'm back on this loop antenna. Oh, this is still active. Let's put it back on. Why am I not getting anybody? Take the antenna. Hey, where are you? What's happened now? Long wave. What's that? The next band is the broadcast band. It's a confusing band switch here. Oh, it's showing the yellow. Then what's here? Don't quite get what's going on there. I don't know what this is. That's a long way. This plate rocks a bit too. I don't know. I don't get it. I have to get my own radio out and check it out. Ooh, what was that? Oh, that was the teeth of the gear skipping. It's nothing. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I have assessed the radio. The chances of me improving this are a little limited. The radio is working relatively well. I go through all the alignment process, maybe get the pointer more accurate, maybe get a little more out of it, but I don't think there's much there to be gotten. On shortwave, if the pointer's off a bit, this is not a precision radio anyway, and you're just hunting blindly for stuff to listen to. You're not trying to dial in a certain frequency. On the broadcast band, it's something similar. Well, let's say you want to tune in 640. So you look at the dial for 640, but it's not there because the pointer's wrong or the alignment's wrong. You're in the zone of 640 for sure. You could find it from there. You could hunt and find it from there. Not precise, not going to be precise. That's where my head's at right now, and I think I'm finished in here for today. I could be done with this radio at this point, really, in more ways than one, frankly. Yeah, I'm going to stop here for today, and tomorrow I will either proceed with the alignment, which I'm very doubtful of at this point, or I'll just be reassembling the radio back together into its cabinet and the whole shot. That's probably what I'm going to do tomorrow with it. Well, thanks so much for watching the series here. It's coming to an end now, finally. I'm down to the hardcore of you who watch these videos. About 500 of you have continued following. I've lost about 500 people along the way. So I do have many, many more radios to work on. They're not like this. They are simpler, tabletop, 1940s type radios. Many, many to do. So you can look forward to that if you're not watching this. Of course, if you're not watching this, you're not hearing what I'm saying. Okay, well, thanks a lot for watching, if you are watching. And thanks a lot for watching if you're not. See ya.